Please subscribe.
The restyled 2020 Volkswagen Passat will begin at $23,915, counting a $920 gold expense, the organization declared Monday, and the range-beating cell model will begin at $32,015. It will be the main variation to retail for more than $30,000. The Passat's base value remains basically unaltered from what it was really going after the last time the full range was offered in the United States. The Wolfsburg model won't be offered for 2020. Over the lineup, the 2020 Passat gets refreshed styling, some mechanical changes and new bundling. Underneath, it's still fundamentally a similar vehicle, however it currently flaunts a car-like rooftop line and refreshed front and back looks. The 17, 18 and 19-inch wheel contributions are likewise new for 2020. The 2020 Passat is controlled by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 delivering 174 drive and 206 pound-feet of torque. While the Passat was once offered with bigger discretionary motors, those have since been disposed of from the model. To get the higher-yield Turbo 4, you have to buy the premium-arranged VW Arteon. The S model accompanies standard 17-inch combination wheels, LED head, tail and daytime running lights, a 6.3-inch touchscreen infotainment framework, forward crash notice with programmed crisis braking and passerby observing, vulnerable side checking and back cross traffic alert. Knocking up to the same $26,765. Includes keyless section and push-button start, extra USB charge ports, a power-removable driver's seat, leatherette seating surfaces, warmed front seats, double-zone atmosphere control and an accessible Wi-Fi hotspot. Well-being highlights incorporate versatile journey control and path-keeping help. The R-Line, $29,565. Includes a sunroof, encompassing lighting and a few R-Line selective outside and inside medications, including exceptional 19-inch wheels. At the highest point of the line is the Cell, $32,015, which incorporates everything up to the R-Line substance less its 19-inch wheels, high pillar control, sport seats, cowhide seating surfaces, and updated infotainment framework with fender sound and park help. The 2020 Passat will be in vendors before the year's over.